So we finished making our 12 column wide box and putting the word hello world in it. But we want to eventually get something that looks like this, like the index page of my website. And so the way that we're going to do it is we're going to make a box here for the title of your webpage. And then we're going to make another box on the right side for the links to go inside. Okay. And so how do we do that? Well, we have our container, beginning of the container, end of the container. Remember, everything needs to go into that container. And then the header, we're going to put the HTML tag header here so that we can stylize it easily. And then inside of the header, this is the important part. This is the part that uses the skeleton boilerplate. Is we're going to add a 3-column wide box, this one here. And then right after that, we're going to add a 9-column wide box over on the right side. And if you notice, 3 plus 9 add up to 12. And 12 is, again, the max size, the max number of columns that are in the container. Okay, so let me go ahead and copy this, go to my Aptana, and inside of here, oh, I think I'm missing my header, right? So I'm going to come in here and say header. And then here I'm going to say / header, or end of the header. And then inside of the header, I'm going to put all that code that we just copied. Okay, great. And you remember, you want to, oh my goodness. No, I'm sorry. We want to go ahead and copy all of the, take all of this, everything inside the body, and paste it in. And that gets us going because we have the beginning of the container, end of the container, beginning of the header, end of the header, and inside of the header, we have the 3-column and 9-column wide boxes. But remember, these double quotes are bad. So I'm going to go ahead and delete both of them, highlight the word, and press the double quotes. There we go. Those are the double quotes that we need. Again, I'm deleting the first one, deleting the second one. I'm highlighting all of the words, and I am pressing double quotes, and it fills them in. So that's an easy way to do it. Come back over here. Whoa. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to get that, and I'm going to do that. Okay, and so now to show you that where the title is and where the links are, I'm going to say back right here. And remember, back is the style that sets the background color to blue, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do this, copy that guy, put in another one here, and say front. And I'm going to make this one background color red. And I'm going to set this second one to front, just to show you what they look like. Okay, so then let's come over here and let's run. And you can see this. So what do we have? We have an invisible container in the background that's from here to here. That's 12, has 12 columns inside of it. And we have a box here that's 3 columns wide. And then next to that, we have a 9-column wide box. And you can see that in between our boxes, Skeleton puts a small little buffer space. Okay. So then if we have that, that is the beginning of our orientation, right? So right here, what's going to go is the name of your website, and then over here are going to be your links. And then remember, we could always use Google Fonts to stylize them. We can use the special properties that we've learned so far to make them centered or to put padding around them to make the box bigger, right? So let me just show you, for instance, what I could do. Right here on back, I can come over here and I could say padding, 0 pixels, 0 pixels, 0 pixels, 0 pixels. And so what padding is the amount of space that is inside of the box. So where is my web page? Okay, it's right here. So it's the amount of space that's inside of my box. So if this first number is the amount of space at 12 o'clock, the top of the box, this one here is the amount of space on the right side of the box at 3 o'clock. This is 6 o'clock at the bottom, and this is 9 o'clock from the left side. So if I change these all to 20, then you will notice that the blue box will push the title around so that we get 20 pixels all around. Right? And you can see the box actually grows bigger as well. And then if I wanted to center that title, right, then I could just come in here and I could say text align center. Save that, come here, centered. I want it bigger. Well, I can come in here and I could say font size, and I could say 40 pixels and refresh it. Ooh, bigger, good. And then I could say color make it white, like it is on my website. Right? So I come here, refresh it, it's white. Okay, well, great. So you can use these to make this look the way that you want it to look. And of course, if we used a Google font for it, like I did on my website, it would look nice and pretty. And then you can do the same thing for your links, right? So when we come here to the index page, your links should go right in there. Right? So it's going to paste them right on in, so with the UL tag and everything. And so, yeah, good luck with that.